Hey there, Norman here from WoCode, and in this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the Editor 2.0 Builder. If you've used the classic editor's Flex mode before, you'll notice a lot of similarities, especially in the layout and many of the core options. But if you're looking to get a deeper understanding of the builder itself, I highly recommend checking out our 7-part Flex training series. Now let's highlight some new and unique features only available in Editor 2.0. Let's start with breakpoints. Right at the top, you'll see the familiar breakpoint controls. Just like before, you can toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. The big difference? Editor 2.0 now automatically responds to the screen size changes, giving you a cleaner layout out of the gate. And you can still fine tune each individually just like you're used to, but a lot of the heavy lifting is handled for you automatically. Next, let's talk media management. Over on the left sidebar, you'll find the new Media tab. This makes it super easy to view your site's uploaded media. You can upload new media in with the orange Upload Media button, or even drag media out from the Media tab directly on the page to add it to the page. Or quickly replace an existing image or video on the page by dragging the content from the Media tab and dropping it right on top of the existing content. It's quick, simple, and easier than ever. Now let's move into the improvements for layout flexibility. Editor 2.0 now supports up to 8 columns per section, a big step up from the previous 4-column limit. This makes it easier to build complex layouts, multi-item grids, and content-dense sections, all with more flexibility. A lot more flexibility. And lastly, let's highlight the addition of sticky positioning. Now you've got a brand new position option in the design panel. This lets you pin certain elements to stay visible as users scroll, adding another layer of control over your layout and user experience. And that's a quick look at what's new in Editor 2.0. If you want a deeper dive, check out our Editor 2.0 training docs, and don't forget to watch the full 7-part Flex training series for a complete breakdown of how to get the most out of the builder. Once again, my name is Norman Durkee, and you've been rocking with the best website builder platform on the planet, lowcode.com. And until next time, and as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to support. We're always here to help.